You see Jose Lowe's background?
Yes, sir. Beautiful. Yeah, leave that up there.
Jose Lowe's?
Yeah, leave it
Let
up
me
there.
see. Okay.
Leave it up there. We could definitely do that. Yeah. Just what to come. Preview of what
See
to
the
come.
bubbles moving?
Yeah. Good stuff. Good stuff.
Yep. Let me let in Sean Flagg.
All right, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
Oh, there it is. It's open. Look at that. You got boom.
Here we go. Here we go.
Take profit.
I'm trying to here.
Oh,
Here we go.
profit there,
Here we
bro.
go. Here we
Go,
go.
go,
Here we go.
There it goes.
Here we go.
Go.
Here we go.
Go.
Here we go.
Go.
One.
Come on.
11, 11, 11, 11, 11, 11, 11, 12. Come on, 11, 11, 11, 11, 11, 11. Boom. All right. Got that. Got that.
There's
Beautiful.
11. Now there's 11.
There's
Good.
11.
Good.
There you go. Woo!
Man.
That was it, Sean.
That was it, man.
That was it, man.
That's it.
I had just looked at it before he posted it in the. I don't remember who posted it in Discord, but I didn't take it.
It was halted.
No, I looked at it. It was when it was unhalted. I was watching it go up this morning.
That's it. Out.
Yep.
Out.
Hit your entry. Boom.
Out.
Who posted it? Because I didn't even see it.
There you go.
Well, I was looking at it, then Andre posted it when it was halted.
Oh, yeah, okay. Because I told Zen when I got the alert, he went right in and boom, got it, and then it halted.
Yeah, it looked good this morning.
Yeah, that $8 was nice, man, but I missed the $8.
I'm just not confident in those fast moving ones still, man.
Yeah. Well, you got myself here, man, to guide you through the process.
Yes, sir.
We weren't on it.
That's the thing, we watching the numbers and we watching whatever it is. I mean, you don't have to go big share size. I mean, you go a little bit till you get the feeling of it. You know what I mean? You do a small amount, you're willing to risk, and that's it. You got to.
I set my alert at 7:30 from pre-market.
Yeah.
And alerted, I went over, looked at it. I'm like, Steve would take this right now.
Yeah. If I had saw it pre-market, I definitely would have a take on it.
Yeah, I've been watching it every morning.
Looking at it. Yeah.
Yeah.
That was great though, Mark. Thank you for that.
Yep. You're welcome, brother.
And then I'd still be in there with a partial,
Yeah. Yeah, absolutely.
7:30.
Absolutely. And there's more to come too.
I like the new screen, Mark.
Yeah, testing it out for Jose. I made it.
Yeah.
That's our new stuff, man. That's our new stuff.
Yeah, it looks good, man.
Yeah. the same thing, set up one for that for me as well, Mark.
On the crypto?
Yeah, just to have the bubble thing in the back, just to that's an added feature that we're gonna have.
Okay, you got it.
You know, let people know we're versatile.
Yep.
Yeah, it looks good.
All right, let me change it out now.
Are the bubbles live or no?
No,
No. Okay.
no.
That'd be cool if we could do that, right?
Yeah.
You could show a heat map behind you. I doubt it's possible, but
No, it's possible. You just got to have a green screen.
oh, gotcha.
You got a green screen, you're good.
Now we need to have one. Boom. There we go. One more time. 10. 10. 10. I was hoping it goes to 12, but not enough. Oh, hold on. Ooh.
What the
Here you
heck
go.
happened?
I don't know.
What happened to
Probably
my
left his
screen?
tea on or something.
My screen is just all whacked out. Yep, go back.
I forgot I had something on the stove. My tea. My tea was on the stove. I think anything over 10 or really, you could try it again over 10. Right? Ten short on it. NVIDIA probably just ran without us, huh? Let's look at NVIDIA. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome. It's another day. Man, what a great day yesterday. Great day yesterday.
Hmm.
215 days. Woo.
Good morning.
Good morning. Who we have in
Good
here?
Nice
Good
picture.
morning, guys.
Nice picture there. You playing golf
Uh,
and then smoking tobacco.
okay. Just
A Cuban cigar.
yeah, absolutely,
Very good.
absolutely, man. Um,
Did you buy this yet, Steve?
which one?
Did you trade it yet? Life W?
Oh yeah, man.
Oh yeah, you just missed it, man.
Well, I mean, I'm the one that got in like at the 7.
You got
Yeah,
in
you were
at
lucky.
7?
Yeah.
Nice, man. There you go.
Because
That's
I had alarm at 680, so I started watching. Then I'm like, man,
okay.
it was a good one.
Yeah, that's it for the day, man. That's
Well, I
it.
didn't get, I didn't buy as much as you probably.
That's
But
it.
yeah.
Call it the day. It's over. That was
I
it.
got a question. Can you look at Upstart UPST? It's trying to break out though. I don't know. What's your thoughts?
Yeah, nothing there right now. It's too choppy.
Well, isn't it good above 22? I mean, if it breaks higher, what do you think is not gonna go there?
Yeah, well, look at this level here. Look at
Yeah, above
23.
it. Looks
Yeah,
good.
look at 23. You know, if it pops, yeah, but it's choppy right now. I wouldn't trade this right now. $22.50. I mean, you know, you could watch it at $22.50.
You have to close the app down and restart it.
Oh, which one?
So you start watching over 22.50.
That's where I would start watching that. Look, you got a channel now. Look. This is the channel.
I got a question. How come you don't put like a limit buy at the 22, whatever, $21?
What happened?
How come you don't put a limit order at 21? So in case it
I
gets
don't like
there.
use limit order when I'm trading the market. I'll use limit order like pre-market or after hours. During the trading session, I don't like. I like to manage the trade myself. I like trading in market order. Because the reason why I don't put limit orders, because I want to manage this. If it's coming, I want to either I could get in early with limit order, you can't get in early. You know, say if I want a buffer of 50 cents or maybe 30 cents, and then it goes through, then I have a stop loss of 30 cents that could go up and profit off that 30 cents and use that 30 cents as a buffer.
But see, sometimes it could go to 20.50 or 20.70, and then boom, buyers buy back up.
Yeah, absolutely. But I want to see it break a major resistance first. And that's one of them right there is 20.50. And you could have 50 cents right there to the next one. So this would be my profit window here. I'm not going to risk any more than that. Right? That's your profit window there. From 22.50 to 23, that's your profit window there. If it goes higher, so be it. But this is what I'm willing to risk.
So isn't it short right now?
Well,
Or
it's
is it too choppy? Is it short now, or is it too choppy for it, too short?
No. I just let it heat up. That is yeah, it's pulling back. But that's what I'll see on that. No, to the upside. Like 800. That was a good trade too today. BIBB. BIIB.
Yeah, that's all it took so far today.
Yeah.
And RBLX, I mean, it can't break the 41.50. So what are you gonna do? You gonna sell?
Yeah, I'll come out. You know, I'm already. I could take some money here out of there. Why not?
And I got a question. How come you don't want to short right there? You can break VWAP and go lower.
No.
Why don't you go short? Or is it?
No, that's not my strategy.
Well, if it's not going up, it must go down. Or you think this is just staying in the
But I
channel?
would have to wait. So I could adjust and I'll wait here. I'll wait there to go short, but I'm not going to take it from top like that because that's not my strategy. You
Guess you
know,
could reverse anytime and go and break it.
absolutely. But come to the VWAP here and bounce. But I don't know. I just got to see what the stock gives me. For me, the stock got to come in what I set up, okay? Not what I think that it's gonna do. I want to see my setup, right? Let the stock do what it does, and give me my setup. If it doesn't give me my setup, then I'll look for another setup within a setup. But for right now, it's a long, right? I had it at almost 41. I'm like 67 cents in the money. I just took 3/4 out, right? And still have a little bit left. So what I took out, it's never going to make this trade a losing trade, right? I could still get back till it drop down to 40.50 and still save myself another 50 cents, right?
Yeah.
Right? And boom. Oh, I'm okay with that. That was a nice trade. It's a green trade, and I'm okay. Now, if it breaks this level here, we could look for a short through the VWAP. But I need to see breaks through the VWAP and breaking down, right?
Yeah.
40. Let's look at 40. You know what? Leave it right there at 40. I need to see break through that. Come on down. Remember, I was in it long. Yeah, I could have reversed it here like it did here and pulled back down, right? But let it go. I need more. I need to see more. If it really is going to fall, then it's going to give it up and come all the way back down. And then before it comes down, it got to break this support here. And then look at it right here. There's another support area right here.
Yeah.
So from here to here, it's another support here. So it could come all the way to the first, break it, and then have another support and then bounce right back up. I don't know. So I'm willing to risk if it break this level to this next support level here. That's what I'm willing to risk. Okay. Don't always accept that the stock is gonna continue to run or continue to fall. It's gonna look for areas within the stock itself to find some support area. It's not always gonna fall down. Something gotta happen for the stock to fall all the way down. But on its way down, it's gonna look for areas for support. They're not gonna let it bleed like that, right? They gotta find a way to apply a tourniquet or something.
It's open gap though, isn't it? Because it was pre-market. So if it falls below 38, it could kind of free fall, isn't it?
Yeah, it can. It can. But then if we go over here, see if anything is trying to hold it. I don't see anything right now. So you can go back to the pre-market levels. Not holding it down here. It goes here.
Yeah, after a big pump. Usually the next day, like tomorrow, could be a really red day for this stock.
Could be. Or later on today.
Yeah.
And the thing is, I don't try to listen to the news as much. I try to stay in front of the stock and stay with the stock and see what it's giving me. Look at LIFW. Start bleeding now. You see what I'm saying? So look, you say why I shouldn't have gone short here. Look what it's doing here. Look at VWAP. It's bouncing back and forth off VWAP. Right?
Yeah.
So why? Why don't wait for a clear sign of the stock is breaking down or a clear sign of the stock?
Well, I always thought if you can't go long, you must go short. You see, you can't.
No, yeah, but here's a resistance. Just because it have a resistance, that means some selling pressure is here. And then after that, somebody sold out because they were waiting to sell up here. They sell out. And you know what? People down here is ready to buy to pump the stock up. So now you get caught in the middle to the downside because you're planning to get it to the short side. And then boom, all of a sudden the stock just turn on you and you had
Yeah,
a
that's what always happens to me. That's why I'm
yeah,
asking.
so that's why you gotta wait some time. Just because it shows sign of turning, that don't mean necessarily it's gonna turn, right? Here it comes, use the VWAP and then bounce. The next candle here, this candle here got to break down to the VWAP now, right? For continuation, or it's gonna come to the VWAP and then another candle got to break down lower, right? So here you go, this bounce right here on RBLX, boom, shoot up because this is resisting time here. Let's go 15 minutes. Look, that's what it's waiting for. It wants to go up,
You
right?
could go higher. You're right.
Right?
You're right. That's why you're Steve and I'm Andre.
All right. Look at the daily. Look at the daily. Look at this level here. This is where it wants to break. And we could get as far as 45, right? You could get as far as 45, that would be your target. From here to here, that's your target.
So the
Right?
purple mean is always your target, right?
Yeah, that's what I utilize as my target. And so that will tell me where I need to be. But if it's gonna break down, it needs to break through this B. And video was good today too. Video. Let's look at video. I was doing that with Mark this morning. What? Look at it now, Mark.
Yep.
Right? This was the entry here this morning. Boom. Nice. All that was profit. All this was profit from here to here. Okay. Now, even though you missed this level here, there's another level here for support. So if I'm going to watch NVIDIA, I would like NVIDIA to break underneath this level here. Or 60-30 to the downside. Okay. So what I missed it. Give me another one. Right? Give me another one. And if you're a gambler, right, you'll be gambling right here, right? Because this is support here. This would be right here. If it's going to break down, this would be your profit window. That's it. I'd rather take the chance here where I have this much of a profit to come back down here. Okay? This level here. 58, 58, 52. Right there. I'd rather take this risk because it's a bigger window for it to come down to the next support, right? That's it. Now, if we go in long on NVIDIA, I'll wait for this level here, this 464, where it struggled to go up, but still broke through, right? 464 here. Okay. It struggled, rejected, right? So if I'm looking for NVIDIA to come back up, I would want to see it come through this level here. And then the top would be my target, right? So for NVIDIA, this is the low today, the high today so far, right? And within that, this is the level that you're playing with right now, okay? This is it. From here to here. You know, if it comes back through, break through one of these levels here, you could take it long, right? Or you could take it short, right? That's it. Now, if it's going to come down here and then bounce up, back and forth, and go sideways, that's something that you'll have to learn how to trade from the bottom to the top, vice versa. Okay, and then you got the VWAP to deal with. VWAP rejection right here. Boom. Couldn't go back up, so it got rejected. Oh, there we go. All right,
Can you look at Hoot real quick?
okay. So that's that. What's the letter?
Hoot Hood.
H.
O. D as in dog.
H-O-O-E.
D
Dude,
as in
Robin
dog.
Hood right
Hood.
there.
Hood. Robin Hood.
Yeah.
Ain't nothing.
Well, isn't it short if it breaks lower?
Under the low.
Yeah. Or
Under
you
the
think
low.
it's got too much beat up?
Speed up already. I mean, it could go lower. VWAP projection here, 840. It's a great short. I like it. 860 back up. That's about it on that.
So if it goes lower than 842, you're gonna go short. I mean, we should go short. If
I
not,
wouldn't short at the low of the day. That's just me.
the higher step in.
Unless the momentum is pushing the stock lower. That's the only reason why I would go short. It's a gap down, so yeah, it could go lower than 840. But then you just got to watch the momentum down to the downside in order to capitalize on that. This is a gap down on the daily. There you go.
It always misses earnings.
Yeah. So with that in mind, you always keep an eye on it to capitalize on. Woo! Welcome, YouTubers. Welcome, Zenites. We here.
I'm gonna post the link for them, the Zoom link.
Yeah, it's up there.
Ah, there it goes.
It's in my head. I watched Legion last night. Legion last night. Oh, which other one I watched? I watched one called 57 Seconds.
What was that?
It's almost like this guy had a ring and you could go back to the first 57 seconds. Like say, if something is happening, like say, if I made a trade right now and it went wrong, right? I could go back 50. I see that it went wrong. I could go back 57 seconds and change the outcome.
Wow.
And maybe that's what you do.
If I do that, I can't tell you that.
I know.
Yeah, but that was a great movie, man. All right. What's in the market today? Anybody seen anything? And if you're new to the channel on YouTube, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Hit the notification bell. Share the live as well. Hit the little heart emoji in here. Pick any one of your liking. I'll tell you which one I like. I like the happy face. I tell you, you just always got to be happy. Happy, happy, happy. And subscribe. Subscribe to the channel. I appreciate that. There you go, 840. If you see anything, go ahead and just put it in the comment section so we could look at it. Stock pick of the day today was RBLX. Let's go back to RBLX. RBLX, see where we at. Still fighting. So we know we need to go long on RBLX there, and we're looking to go short. Okay, somebody keep an eye on RBLX at 41.85. Yes, sir, Sean. Thank you, sir. As always, we're looking for something, Sean. Let's see what we have here. Let's go on this Disney. Disney. Getting some hard time up here. Let's take 3/4 out of Disney. Don't give Disney back anything. Don't give Disney back nothing. Whatever I could take from Disney, I'll take from Disney. And that's how I look at it, man. Anything that I pay a monthly fee on, I'm trying to take from it as much as possible. Right? If I pay Disney's subscription every month, best believe it, Disney is gonna pay me back for it. Right? I don't drive Tesla, but if I drove Tesla, I sure will be letting Tesla pay for itself, right?
You let Tesla pay for a car, but you didn't buy the car.
Good morning. My energy drink in the morning, shot. That is beets, carrots, pineapple, garlic, ginger, turmeric, celery, lime. Pineapple for a little sweetness. That's my power shot. All right, RBLX, Disney, keep going. Disney need to break over this level here. That's great. All right, guys, talk to me. You guys seen anything out there?
Yep, watching the IPOs, see if any of those go off
Come
today.
out.
Yeah, nothing big right now.
So as you could see that, the market, it give you the same routine. After a while, you develop okay, the market open, either it's choppy, you can't trade it, and then it's smooth out. You get a little bit of trade, and then after that, there's nothing, right? So you got to look at those market and adjust your trading style to the different type of market that the market is showing you, right? You have to. Because if you don't have different strategy, you won't be able to trade a different style of market. That shows you all the time. And it's not even you got to force any trade. RBLX, Disney, EMPH. Let's go to EMPH. I'm just going with the flow. EMPH, we were done. So let's look now. EMPH. There's some level right here for short now. VWAP here. Eight long, 7740 short, right? Watch that. Okay. Target. Okay. And then you load down here with the target. And you just adjust every time the stock adjusts, you adjust. If you're out, boom. So from here to here, it's purple line here. Let's change that, which we know that's not a target. And this green one here, that's it. But right now, this is what EMPH is doing. Okay, that's it. Selling pressure will break it down. This would be your target. But right now, this is a scale of things, right? From top to bottom, yellow to yellow. That's what the stock is saying right now. At this level, there's selling pressure up here. Don't want this stock to go higher than this 79.20, right? It doesn't want to go there. 79.25. It doesn't want to go higher. So how do you trade this stock? Or if you trade it at all, right? Rejection here, straight down through the VWAP, right? Almost to the bottom and found some support level here, right? Look, this one broke it. 1, 2, almost 3, 4, 5. This one break at 6. So what it does, it could use this channel now and go sideways, right? Or use this channel from here to here and go sideways with the VWAP in the middle, right? And on a bigger scale of things, it could come here and go back up here. So which trading technique are you willing to use to trade this type of trade here or this type of stock? Okay, you got to set it up, and we just did. And then you just wait for which momentum, on which is the buyers is going to be the strongest or the sellers is going to be the strongest. And you wait, and you wait for the setup and set your stop loss. So if I was going to go long here, this would be my stop loss and that would be my target, right?
Check out Tesla. It's going.
Okay. So that will be that on our EMPH. Okay. Tesla. Tesla looks good right there. Let me get to the viewer. 2012, get to the viewer. Wow. I need to be Tesla videos. Over here. Looking real good. Tesla, right? That's it. Tesla. You got it? That's what you wanted?
Yeah.
Okay. TVN. I thought broke down. Choppy, choppy.
Are you gonna trade the live W again or not? Are you done with that stud?
It's weak right now. Like we did our look at this. And this is the mindset I want you guys to have, always have. Okay. All right. We took this trade and we benefit off this trade to the upside, right? We made quite a few bands off this, right? Here it is. It's breaking down, nothing. That's the bulk of your day, right? You have a decision to make. I trade this stuff. I could shut the computer off and I'm done for the day, right? Because that's more than enough in a day, right? How much was that, Mark? Was it like 20 something off this trade here?
You probably netted around 18.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. See,
Right.
that's good.
You were at 25 at one point, and at the end of the day, about 18.
But if it
So
goes above 868, should you start watching again or not?
I would want to see it breaks through this level. You got to close the gap, right? 860, 870. You got to close the gap. But what I'm saying is that why go back in and fool with a stock that you already make a big profit off if you for the day and wind up in the potential or losing it, right? Because you get stuck in it, you get emotional in it, and you start trading, you're not thinking, you're not doing this, you're not doing that. And then all of a sudden you start doing bad trades, right? And you lose a winning trade that was so perfectly set up. That would have set the tone for the day, and you're done. You're off and done. Finish with it,
Okay,
right?
makes sense.
Get in the habit of you got a green, beautiful, solid day. Done. Unless you say to yourself, okay, I got this much from the market. I came in with zero, right? I walk away with this much. I'm willing to risk that and that only. That's a decision you got to make. And then after that, you make that decision. How are you going to trade the market with that? What is it the amount you're going to risk and how much you're going to risk? So if I'm going to risk $1,000, right? That means, and I want to take 10 trades, right? Out of the $1,000, I'm willing to lose $100 on each trade in order to take 10 trades by using $1,000, right? Not take one trade and lose $1,000. If you want to practice, if you want to get seasoned, right? So those are things that you gotta, okay, I got 1,000 to play with. Let me see if I could manage this and take 10 more trades. And out of those 10 trades, maybe you 5 wins or 6 wins and 4 losses. But look at that. You pick up some more money on that $1,000. You could walk away from it another $3,000, and so on and so on and so forth and so forth, right? So if you make another $3,000, you go aside and you put Now you could put away 3 and then use 2. Now I have 20 more times that I could go in the market to lose $100 and so forth. It's all about your strategies, man. It's all about how you come into the market and look at it. I'll be out on Disney right here with the last partial here. Okay. Good. Nice. Okay. Out of this level here, let Disney break the VWAP, right? The support level here. Okay. 84.50. Get some more room. You see now, we could change this level here because it breaks through it and sit there. Now this is the level we're gonna have to wait for this to break now. 84.90, right? Or if you want to wait till 85, you could start watching at 84.90. 90. Okay. But that's it on Disney for right now. I don't see anything. CTVA, we looked at that. EMPH, we looked at that. Looked at that. Nothing going on there. Right? Just keep in mind, you guys got the numbers. Just look at it. Keep it in a Disney. We just look at Disney. Right? Look at Disney. UIID. Nothing there. That's for reversal. Okay. This level here short. Right. 33.60. Right. As you can see, guys, I'm trading with just MACD. I'm not doing anything else. I don't have all those crazy indicators on there, right? Whatever indicator you choose. I just don't like a cluttered screen. I like to see what's happening. Because when you're focusing on too many things, what do I look at? I look at this, I look at that, you know, and then you're not really focused exactly what's happening right here. So that's Vivi, nothing going on. As you could see, that's a channel with the VWAP in the middle as resistance. Look, and if it can't break through the VWAP, the only other thing will break down. If it breaks through the VWAP, look where it has to get. Boom. So that's what you're watching for. Who's going to win? The sellers or the buyers? Right now, the sellers are in control, right? Roblox. Look at Roblox, sideways. So I came in the market, I extract from the market. Do I really need to continue to trade? No. I took my partial look. I got a one stock in BIIB and the partial is still going, right? It's still going. Still going. All right, so let's go hunting. See if we could find stuff here. If you see anything, go ahead, just shout it out. Wait,
Is it a good time to get into BIIB?
No, I wouldn't. I wouldn't get into it now. For short here, for long here. That's it. You're not doing anything unless you really want to trade through the VWAP, but I don't see anything. That's just me, guys, right? When I set up my entries, I'm waiting. I'm waiting. If I miss it, I miss it. It's the bottom line. And a lot of times, sometimes I miss my entry because I'm looking at something else, right? Yeah, I could set a limit order to buy it there and then move on to something else. But I want to be the master of what I'm doing. I don't want the computer do it for me, right? I want to do it for myself. I want to be active with the trade. Okay. Some people like to set limit orders and then move on and then have a bunch of limit orders. And then you got to go back and find out which one is this one and this one is that one. No, as you can see in front of me here, whatever I'm into, you're going to see there. Okay. And whatever I'm not into, either I'm going to get an alert and I could look at it at that time. AKRO.
Nvidia just broke through VWAP.
See, AKRO, nothing there. Okay. Come on, NVIDIA. You already know, right?
Still needs to get to that 464.
Yeah. Let's go. Entry. This is short. All right. That's all you're waiting on NVIDIA. You're waiting on anything else. The next candle got to break through this level here. Okay. Let's watch it. Anybody want to play NVIDIA?
Yeah, if it goes. It picked up a lot of volume real quick before it wicked back down, but
So 464. Watch that. Welcome everybody on the channel, on the Zoom channel. Welcome guys. Mark, Sean, Wolfette, Kenny, Omega, Tobias. Welcome guys. Happy hump day.
Steve, can you check the TTWO Take Two software? Because there is a gap on a pre-market.
Now what you looking for? What you looking for to do with this stock here?
Shorting the stock.
You want to short it? Okay. So this would be your target, right? That would be your target from that level. All right, from entry, boom, that's your target. And now this is your gap fill. That would be your gap fill. So if it falls to your target and continue to get in the gap here, that'd be great to a short, right? So you're entering the low below the gap up this morning, and then this breakdown here at the VWAP here, because this is the VWAP here, and then it went higher. It would have to break this level to come down and fill the gap back down to the downside. Let's look at the daily. It's a gap up, right? It's just pulling back right now. It's just pulling back. Is it gonna come back down? This, if you look at this, this is this. This is the gap, right? This is the gap. Look at the daily. Is the stock gonna come back down here and fill this gap? Look where we draw our target. Look, without even looking at the daily, look at the support area here, right? Look, we didn't know what the support area was gonna be on it, right? By looking at pre-market here to right now, boom, enter here, down, this is your target. Look at the daily now. Look where the daily target is. Look at that support of resistance. Resistance become now support. It's a gap up. Are you willing to risk it to come down here? Not until it shows sign of breaking this level here. Okay? But for right now, here's the resistance on the daily. Right? Got to break this level to the upside to go higher. And then that would be your target up the top here. Right? That's if you're watching the daily, right? That would be your target. Right? So if it break this level, that would be your target. Anything above that, the stock is running, right? For right now, we got to work with what we got. And what we got right now is nothing, right? Nothing. So if this stock is going to break to the upside, this is where I would look for it to break. This level here. Okay. What about the VWAP? You hear? This level here, it has to break this level. And then this would be your new target, right? That would be your new target. This would be your entry. Right? That would be your target. To upside because it gapped up. We already established that that's a gap up, right? So entry, go long. Okay? And on the daily, we see that it already broke this level already. Look. Right? The green. So all they need now is to go higher. Right? You already know that it break it on the daily. So all this stock now needs to do is to break this level and hit our target one more time. Right? On the daily, it shows that it broke it already. The 5-minute chart, that's where you're at. Okay? Got it?
Yep, thanks.
Well, I'll show you why we didn't want to go back into LIFW. Look at it now. What's happening? Right? What's happening? There she goes. Nothing. I don't want to waste my time. Here we go. This is another level we could break down here. As it goes. It could break. If not, ride this channel sideways using the VWAP as resistance. All right. Not enough. The market is doing the same thing it did yesterday.
One more thing, Steve. It's SE, S for Sam, E for elephant. It's going down. So what do you think about shorting the stock?
S
Elephant.
E S C, right?
Yep.
You missed the short right here. There's two levels. 1, 2. Missed that. Missed that. I just don't like shorting at the low on a scalp. Okay. I don't like shorting at the low. Okay.
Okay.
And then support is right here at 41.40, right? Support is at 41.40. So it could break down here and go to 41.40 for the next support. This is the law of the game so far. But we missed the better off the trade off this stock here. Right? I missed that. Do I need to go at the low to try to get the stock lower? I wouldn't. That's just not something I would do. You can, you know, if you see, but if I look at the daily now, right? That's the next support here, right? This level here, it would have to come down and break this level here, okay? Right? Underneath here, before you get that, look at this one right here. So between here and here, that's what you're playing with to the downside. I would wait for a better setup. I'm not saying you can't short it at the low. I'm not saying you can't, but that's just not my style. I would rather wait for it to come back up or find a way when it starts, find some support and start turning and play it that way. Okay. Let's see if we could find something or scan something here. Get some music going. There's 150 out. All right, that's it. Great trade. Great trade. Okay. I could live with that to the upside, come back up. Let's do that. Let's go through some scanner. Let's see what's on my scanner. Everything looking good. Red across the board on the market, right? Not by a lot, but red. Let's look at this stock here. Gotta watch Bibi though. Watch Bibi for a reversal. W B E. So what this all about? Nothing. It's on the top gainers. Nothing. Nothing there. NVFY. Nothing. All these top gainers don't always mean that the stock is moving, right? Losers. I don't see, most of these stocks are under $1, $2, $5. These top losers. 15% LOCO. Talking about that, let's look at this JGGC from yesterday. Look at the big difference since yesterday and today. Look at that. Untradeable, right? Look at that, untradeable. Great trade yesterday, but untradeable today, right? I don't see anything else. Did somebody say about the CDIO? CDIO. That's better off any of them. We have a level here on that. If anybody wanted to trade that. Spoke about this yesterday. Right. Yeah. It's dealing with the T. With the T. Stay. I sit on watch list. I don't see anything else here. Nothing in the market here. Let's go to our heat map. All right. Let's go. If we could find a sector where we could.
Yeah, I'm watching Netflix. It's trying to move up.
Netflix. Let's look at that.
Not super strong though.
Level off should be watching on Netflix. I would treat Netflix right now. I would treat Netflix on. So I would treat it.
Yeah.
I'll just wait. It's gonna come down, boom, or it's gonna go up. See over here. That's all. Need some more volume to bring it up. Well, looking at the market, it's just about even. Bulls versus the Bears, right? That's why there's nothing going on in the market. That's why we don't have it. It's not saying like the Bears are at 70% and the Bulls are at 30. It's just a few points in between. So that's why the market is stagnant.
Can you check the Upwork UPWK?
Don't see nothing there. Not right now. It's broke down and it's underneath the view up and showing some resistance at this level. Support here. Would have to break back through the view up to get some momentum to the upside. Right now, nothing. ORCL. Nothing in the market right now. 60-40. That's what the percentage, 60-40. So I would, the beers are winning now in the market. GILD. GILD. Tesla. That's all I see right now. Keep eye on that. Here comes Tesla, right? Go back to this here real quick. This is Tesla, right? Stop loss would be here, right? And Tesla. Let's look to the upside. Let me see 21, 140. Here's our winner. LIFW breaking down. On this, that's 740 right there. 750 Tesla.
How about Netflix? Just crossing the big up. There's 100 and 140.
Then look at this Tesla real quick here. 750. See what is 38 seconds. There we go. Tesla. I'm gonna go with Tesla, right? This is my stop loss here. This is my target. Okay. 55. All right. Tesla to run, right? Target. We're talking about Netflix, right? Netflix.
Yes. Excellent Netflix.
Tesla is in a downward pressure though. Netflix got to break this level. There's some pressure here. Nothing. There's pressure on the market to this downside. 60-40. 64 now, 36. So bears are applying pressure to the market.
Got on Tesla with you.
I'll stop loss here in Tesla. Just in that range right here. Let's see what happens. Nothing. That's Tesla trade. Look at that. ABI. Let's look at some stuff here. Nothing. That's before earning nothing. Gonna go through some stuff here, see what we could find. On that TPL. Just keep looking out for those stock pick of the day if anything gone. Nothing. Inside buying, nothing. GA. Stocks up. Nothing. This stock's up 84%, but look how it's moved. I don't like the way it trades. Look at this big gap up here. Look how it's trading. All right. These are these penny stocks. 84%. If you were down here, you got almost $1 out of this stock here. Right? Gap up, boom. Look at it now. Right? Pressure's on the market now. Stock market, stock market. CS.
when there is pressure on the market, does it mean the institutional traders trying to get people to say sell their options, their shares, so they can get it cheaper?
Chopping up. I don't really hear what you say. I could hardly hear what you're saying. FTC. Yeah, NVIDIA. You should be good with NVIDIA now, right? NVDA. NVIDIA was nice. Nice breakthrough. We're back now. The bears are in the market now. Heavy. So anybody who took that real nice 465, you got a point out of that there, right? Boom. 1 point. You could have come out at 80 cents or so into the strength of the stock to the upside. I'm not seeing anything right now. Okay. Insider trading. Let's see who. Brown, Powell, Steven. TRIN. He bought that. Why would he buy that? Cost was $22. Oh, he changed. Yeah, it's gone. Bought that at 22, it says. I don't see. That ticker is moving. William David Reid, CHD. These guys know that we don't know, right? Look at that horrible stock here. Gotta keep an eye on these stuff here. November 7th transaction. He sold. He sold 6,000 shares of this stock here. So he sold 6,000 shares of this stock. And keep eye on this thing here. So these guys are selling off 3 million shares. Somebody just came in and sold 3 million shares of this here. Insider trading here. Cost what, 583. Cost was 583.85, and he sold 6,000 shares. Another person came and sold 1,200 shares. They're selling off this stock here. But you can't even trade it. Look at it. Okay. That's worth some data to look at every now and then. All right, major news. NVIDIA. Roadblocks is the stock of the day, man. RBLX is the stock of the day. Looking at this stuff here, and the second baddest stock of the day loser would be HOD. So keep eye on this RBLX and keep a high on Robinhood. Okay, down 14%. These are the two major major news today. That's what you should be watching. Okay, keep eye on NVIDIA and then TEVA. 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 Up almost 3%. Break this level here. 966. Break that. I don't see much going on in it right now. I wouldn't trade it. Yeah, fill at 940. I could fill that gap at 940. This level here. So the gap fill here. And go higher. Nothing there right now, guys. If you see something, go ahead. Just put it in the comment section here, or just let us know. Be easy,
Can you, Steve, can you check the Celsius CELH? C
See,
for Charlie, E for elephant, L for Larry, H for Harry.
that was nice. 180.20. The break of this level was great. It ran without us. $198. Let it go. Need the momentum to bring it up. Come on, Tesla. Do your thing now, Tesla. Do your thing now. Bam! All right. That's what I see there. I don't see much. We missed
Getting out of Tesla.
the train already.
I'm still on Tesla. Tesla.
Look at that, man. Easy money. Easy money. Easy money. ESTN. This up there. It's down a lot today. Recovery could be in your favor. Right? Recovery could be in your favor. This stop it. Stop loss. Right. Yeah. I'll watch that there. Anybody's in Tesla?
I am holding the
Anybody's in Tesla? Come on,
Yeah, I'm in Tesla.
talk to me. I don't know.
I'm there, brother.
Okay.
6.40% from Tesla.
Mm.
I still have a partial in the video too, but it pulled back. So
Took a partial.
yeah, I had taken a partial when I took it on that green candle.
Mhm. The airlines are up, man.
Yeah, United almost up $1.
Mm-hmm.
UAL. It's pulled back though.
Delta is up.
VWAP now.
Delta is up. What is American Airlines? Fly American Airlines. See something here.
You gonna buy it?
Yeah. This is just for long term.
Oh, for long term. Yeah, yeah.
Let me see here.
What's the ticker for American?
AAL.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
That's coming off of that yearly low of 1086, huh?
Mm-hmm. And still got some more downside, just at 950, 960. That's long term, right?
Yeah. I mean, it's got solid support, right? Even going to the yearly
Mm-hmm.
at this level.
Yeah. What I start doing, eliminate in my long-term portfolio, trying to eliminate stocks that don't really mean nothing and stick with stocks that are daily use, you know what I mean?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I've tried to get out of everything that doesn't have a dividend too, for my long term. The only two long term I have that don't pay a dividend are Google and Amazon.
Like this stock right here. Yeah. Once I enter, I'll move my stop loss up right on with the view up here. 35.
Got crushed today, huh?
Yeah. So even if this stock come back up, at least say 60% of the 141, as you could see, it's trying to,
Yeah.
or even $1.50. That's more than enough on a return on the upside. We could benefit off that. Okay, 20 cents in. So from this 104 here, right? I'm gonna try to capitalize on this $1 here. Okay, let's go. That's what I'm gonna do. Okay, I'll move my stop loss up right underneath the V up there. Okay, 29, 15, 30. Okay. See what happened. We just needed to recover.
Yeah, it looks good.
We needed to get to 40. Anything above 39 or so, we're good, right? So we're looking for 1% recovery. Okay? That's what I'm going to be looking for. Going to one, right?
Yeah.
Microsoft is going back up.
Yeah, Spy's trying to pull everything back up a little bit. See if it gets back up above that 437.
Upgrade grade on the spot. 37. This would be your target on the spot. It's a nice short. Bam, bam. Just watch out for the big one.
Mm-hmm.
Stop it, RBLX. The reason why I could do these things, guys, are look, I'm pretty much done for the day. I make my quota for the day, right? Now, just because the market is not doing anything, there's still opportunities in the market. Now, it's a decision you made your money already. Stay away from the market. Okay? Stay away from the market, turn the computer off, and go. If you're satisfied with that. But for me, I gotta always keep going, just working on my techniques, working on my strategies, see if it works out. I have enough capital to give a daily stop loss, right? Managing my account, knowing that we're gonna get it. Look at that now, Sean.
Yes, sir.
We just only want 1%. And even if we didn't get 1%, that's 70.75% we already got back return already. Am I okay with that trade right there?
Yeah.
Would you be okay with that? Huh? $19.60 would be 30 cents in the money, right? Can we get $1?
$1 would be nice.
Yeah. That's a struggle.
Yeah, Tesla's weak.
It's okay. Got our stop loss. We're not gonna get that much of a beat up. I'm already winning already. So whatever this stock is doing here, SESTA is doing, so far compromised. How I'm gonna be losing today when look at the partial on BIIB is more than enough here, right?
Yes.
$19.60. Tesla is getting beat up. Yeah. Oxy is good today. OXY up almost 3% today from yesterday. NOW is up. GE is up. RCL is up. The cruise lines. CCL is up, and NC Norwegian Cruise Line. BKMG. Bears are heavy in the market right now. Bears are heavy in the market. P, how you doing? Welcome aboard, my friend.
Hey, I'm good, thank you.
Welcome aboard. Pleasure to have you here. So Tesla is getting weighted here. Right? Got our stop loss in. Looking at anything, AP?
Just got done with my meeting, so not even focus anything yet.
Got you.
It's hard for working and trading together.
Yeah, it's difficult, man. It's not easy. Sooner or later, one is going to replace each other,
Yeah.
right?
Trying.
Yeah.
So far, no luck.
Well, welcome aboard. Hopefully, we could change that narrative on that.
Cool, thank you.
Yeah. Tesla. Are you a day trader, a swing trader, option trader? Well, what kind of trader are you?
Option trader, but that's also not working. I think I lost most of my money in option trading. SPX.
Option is difficult. I would never go back to option.
That's why I want to join you, because I know you trade stocks, and that I don't have that much capital, so it's hard to. I mean, maybe like what you do is
small
Yes.
increments. Yeah, absolutely. So if you could string together out of 20 days, right? We got 20 trading days in a month.
Yeah.
If you could string together 10 days, right?
Yeah.
Start building a momentum. You out of 20, say right now I'm on 215 days, right?
Yeah.
Solid green, right?
Yep.
And if you could get out of 251, you could get 100 days. It's a big improvement from where you are before to where you're going to be at now. Okay. Look at this stock. You just got in, but we got into this stock, got beat up today at 40%.
Oh, wow.
We're looking for it to recover at least 2%, right? It was at 41, 30 something. We're looking for it to get back to 40. If it goes less than 40, then we'll be in the money on this one.
Okay.
Right? Not a bad trade. As you could see, it may be turning right here now. Okay.
Yeah, I just took 3/4.
Yeah, okay. See, I was about to. Go ahead. That was great, Sean. So
Is the red line is your stop loss?
yes, purple line is the target. So it's a little bit late now. It's covering back down here. 5. Still haven't shown me yet. It's just someone took profit, like Sean said, took profit, just kind of pull it back down a little bit. Now, either I could wait for this to come back to my entry and I'll close out even and didn't make anything on that stock, right? So when you're trading, you want to either protect your losses, and this is for new traders, I would say. If you're going into the stock and you're trading into the stock, you wait, you put your stop loss at your entry and practice that with small share size, right? If the stock is going up, say you enter the trade here, right? My stop loss now, even though I'm making money, right? If I didn't take a partial, I'm just practicing on my win and versus losses, right? So my loss, I wouldn't lose anything unless the stock did a dramatic drop down and goes straight through my entry, right? Then I would put my stop loss at my entry, right? So I'll be even. The same money I go into the stock with, I came out with, right? 0. And practice that little by little, little by little. Practicing putting your stop loss at your entry. If you're in the money, put your partial at your entry. Okay?
Yeah.
You know, but we're looking for a recovery. Look at that recovery right here, right?
Yeah.
And I got this all from my scanner, right? Sean?
Yeah.
Yeah, so look at that, right? Take some off here, right? Take some off. Way to go. Great trade. That was an awesome trade, right? We ate off that trade there, okay? That was quick, nice. Now my stop loss could go right back to my entry if it falls back to my entry, and I already took 3/4 out. That was a winning trade, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's over. Now, if it keep going, what I'll do, I'll bring my stop loss to my entry, and if it goes high enough, I bring it a little bit above my entry, so secure that a little bit more. Not only I'm going to be out this, right, at my entry, I'll be out that. So what? I'm out that. My 3/4 already net me enough more than that, so I will never be in a red trade on that trade here. Okay? And here we go, we're going to go stop out in Tesla as Tesla got rejected. Right?
Yep.
And even if I look at this stock down here on the partial, is just about the same as Tesla. So even though I lose on this Tesla trade, this stock kind of recovered this by a couple dollars, right?
Yeah.
And between this winning trade and this winning trade, subtract 500, I'm still in the money regardless.
Yeah.
Right?
I'm still green. Yep.
I'm still green. So 41 to 1941, I'll be out of Tesla. Okay? Tesla entry here to the short side, this is your target here on Tesla, if the market keep falling. Okay? 241, I'll be out of Tesla. Edwin, how we doing? Good afternoon.
What's up, bro? Good, man. How you? Oh, I
Good.
see that. I see you're doing good.
Yeah, thank you. Okay, so Tesla broke, bam. Okay,
Yes, SPY new low a day.
yeah. So there you go. We've been watching the SPY, so we already know SPY. If SPY break this level here, you could go short. There you go, right? Easy money. Easy money. There she goes. Go, go, go. So where you think I would take Tesla, the SPY back up? Take it right back at this level here. Right? But right now, that's it. That's it. That's it for right now. Okay. That's it. Back to Tesla. Let's go back to RBLX. Let's see what we're doing on RBLX. That's having oh, we missed a show here. Okay. 40. 40. 40. So I missed my first entry. Right? Anybody was watching the RBLX short?
I had it marked, but I didn't see it hit. But
Okay, well. Yeah.
oh yeah, I was waiting for that 39, 33.
Hey, did y'all play LIFW again today?
Absolutely.
You sure did, man.
Yeah, that was good.
Killed it.
Sure. So the short level right here.
What time you start live? Just to get the idea.
At 10 o'clock.
Are you Central Time?
Eastern time.
East. Okay, so 9. Okay, I see.
Yeah. Sure.
I'll try to join you with my reminder.
Yeah. And I do have the stock pick of the day, so you get that on the YouTube channel on all social media at the Zen Zone 01. So even
So
if
now, so I go through your Discord. So the one you put it in at like 8 in the morning, which is like a 7 Eastern, is
yeah,
and then you change, you update that list to the new one.
yeah, every day, yes. So you'll find that in the Discord in the Discord.
Stock pick, right?
Yeah, stock picks. You find that every day. Today I posted at 8:37, so it's not always at 9. You'll get it earlier.
Okay.
There we go, 40. I'm looking
see.
to go short here, 40 on roadblocks. Not much, but looking for a point. Good. 40. The bid. The bid is at 40. Let's see if we get this here. Oh, did I go short? Oh no, I bought this long. Ah, that's not what I wanted. Short. Okay. Good.
Yeah, you short.
40 then. Okay. So stop loss above the VWAP here. Let's do the stop loss above this lovely shortening back. That gap going right there. Okay. 1 to 1. Support there.
Spy moving lower still.
Yeah, we just need the SPY to drag it down some more here, but the support level here. Need to break through that 40. Market is slow. It's needed to make a dollar. Slow market. Trying to support itself right here. It's really trying to do it.
Yeah.
Mm-mm-mm. Yeah, so Roblox is trying to find some support here. As you can see, it's struggling right here to break down, right?
Mm-hmm.
Struggling. AP, can you short the market at all? Will your account allow you to short the market?
Hey, check out Upwork.
Yeah, look at that today.
Oh, yeah, I did.
We want break those things. Not enough volume to break this level. This nice little cup. Put this cup up and handle here. All right, we need to get back up here. This is why I would treat. Look for a 50-cent move. 1350.
I hear you say my name. Sorry, I was on another call with the work.
Yeah.
What was it?
Can you be able to short the market at all?
Not yet. I grab your Easta. I'm up 20 bucks. I grab 100 share.
Yeah, but can you short the market? Like if you want to go short, can you go short on stocks?
I never tried it, but I think I can, right?
Okay. So right now, all you do is long the market, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Never tried it, but I mean, which one are you trying to short?
No, I'm trying to short RBLX.
RBLX, right? Okay.
Yeah.
I see you are up.
We're
Okay.
just trying to find some support there, but the long is this ESTA.
Yep.
That's our best opportunity in this kind of environment right here.
Yep, I'm in with 100 shares. Yep.
Okay, what was your entry?
Entry 1977.
1977. So you 30 cents in.
30, yeah.
30
Yeah.
cents. That's great, man.
Yeah.
And you just keep picking at it little by little, right?
Yeah.
And if it's enough, take 3/4 out, take 75 out, leave 25. You know what I mean? Take
Okay.
80, leave 20. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And keep building like that. Go to the next one. Do the same thing over and over again. Okay?
Okay.
But my stock picks that I look for, I try to get the best out of the market, right? I try to get the best opportunities for us, for myself, and for who else who wants to trade as well. So here I am at that RBLX at my end, right?
Yeah, let me see if I can short like 10 shares or something. I never tried it, but
yeah.
Is there a fee with the Thinkorswim if you short it?
I don't use
Only if you hold it overnight. LLY just popped. They just had a drug approved.
LLY.
AVH just came on the market about 20 minutes ago, IPO.
I didn't hear you, Mark.
GVH, George Victor Harry.
George
Victor Harry.
We'll go back to LLY.
I was preoccupied and I didn't see it.
Oh, nothing there on this IPO, yeah. I mean, that $5 was it right there.
That was it.
That was it. Let's see. We have to find some support here. We got VWAP here. I would wait for this 480. get it early. 450. Roadblocks is just don't wanna give it up. SPY is holding it there. This level here, this 450 here on this GVH. Target is going to be up how much? $5. Have to close the gap here on the way out. Ain't nothing there right now for this stock. Keep eye on it though.
Yep.
At 450 break. Okay.
You're looking
Roadblocks.
at Lily.
Wow. Something coming in roadblocks. Okay. Support. Roadblock is trying to find the support here. Okay. Do what it does right here and then bounce. Okay. So if it's the same action that is going to happen that it did on the VWAP here at this level here and bounce. Tighten up. Sense. Looking good.
You were just starting to look at Lily.
Yeah.
Before
Lily.
I brought you that
Down a
IPO.
little bit more, Mark. Lily's over this level here on 612, I would say.
Yeah, it already pulled back.
Yeah. I would do 612 to 613.
Should watch it though. They just said that new obesity drug just got approved by FDA. That's why it popped.
612. Probably get it later. One that is slowly creeping is this ESTA. And roadblocks is just not performing very sure. So let's see. Broke it a little bit, right? 39.92. That's about it. So it's gonna do the same thing that it does here. Boom, and then bounce back up. Stop loss. We could bring down some more here. It's over here. This candle here, right? Stop out 60. 60 cents. 40, 60. Another 20. And you're just managing your loss on the trade, right? All right.
Yeah, I'm able to short the stock. I just jump into RBLX.
Yeah, it's not into a short yet. We got to break this level here. That's where we were. So my stop loss is going to be at 40.60. All right, but it needs to break this 40 to go lower. Okay.
Okay.
So I'm willing to lose 60 cents on this trade here. Nothing more than that. And as you could see, as I enter the stock and watching the flow of the stock, you could always adjust your stop loss. It's not always that you honor it, you know, you could always adjust. So instead of me losing 2K or maybe 3K, I may lose 1.5, right? 1,500, right?
Yeah.
That would save me the rest. If my risk was 3,000, I still have another 1,500 to make another trade or several other trades, right? If I could do 3 more trades and try to risk 500 each trade, or maybe 250, will give you enough time in the market to stay in the market and play, right?
Yeah.
And again, always remember, you're not always gonna win when it comes to the market. You just got to remember that. Take the small base hit every time. If you say you're coming into the market and you're going to play it for $500, get your $500 and go. If you get 1,000, put away your 500 or put away 7, because that's what I would do. I wouldn't put back. I would put away 7. And then I'll take the 300 that I have, right? And continue to play the market. Now, with the 300 that I have, I could either break it up in small increments. If I give a trade $50, right? I got what? 6 times to play the market, right?
Yeah.
Right? So it gives me 6 opportunity. Depends on what your trading styles are, and just waiting for the setups. And if I make another 300 on that 300 that I lose, right? I could put away 100, right?
Yeah.
Or put away 200 and play with 400. Now you're increasing your time in the market. You know what I mean? But you got to give yourself opportunities. That's all. You don't have to always take big share size because everybody don't have the same, but we make the same amount of percent at the end of the day. Our BLX, struggling. Go sideways. We have some consolidation right here, right? It's consolidating right here. See what's happening right here. 2 things is going to happen. Either it's going to boom, bounce, or we break down. That's it. Try to ride a channel to go sideways. It's struggling there. We're looking good on ESTA on that partial, Sean. Now we 7
my
cents in
partial's
the
still
money
doing
on
good.
that. Huh?
Yeah, my partial's still there, man.
Yeah, absolutely. Looking good. RBLX. Look at that partial. Keep running. That's our target. We're already 3/4 out. We're still running with the partial. Still looking good. Spread is about 19 cents. RBLX back into green profit again. One more time. And look where we at now, Sean. So did we win or we did not win on this trade here? 38% now.
Yeah, we won. I mean, like 3.5%, right?
Yeah.
We got in when it was what, 41?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Took 3/4 out. You should be good now, AP on RBLX, right?
Yep. I'm up $5. $6. I only got 20 shares. I was just testing it. I can short or not.
Absolutely, man. You take $3.
Yep.
You know what I mean? Take out 15. You know, and you practice on that. That's just the way it is. You know, you were green on that trade.
Yes.
Bottom line.
On Thinkorswim, no, I mean most brokerages, if you don't have 25K, you can't do more than 3 round robins in a week or it'll get flagged.
Okay. So you gotta have 25K to do more than 3 shorts or 3 trades in a day.
Yeah.
A week, yeah.
Yeah, you could do
PDT, right?
Yeah, so you don't get the pattern trading.
pattern trading, yeah. So you could do one trade a week, right?
I'm above PDT, but just the problem is in the option I lose so many, so just trying to go a little slow.
Yeah. The option ain't easy, man. What we're gonna try to do, get people in here that does options too as well, so could guide us through these issues that we all have.
The other thing you have to do, if it's a hard to borrow, you just have to call them and sign up. It doesn't cost anything, but they're hard to borrow program. You have to enroll into it.
Oh, okay.
How is it like an error message will pop up on the screen or just
it'll just say it's not available. If
I
it's a
see.
hard to borrow, if you don't sign up for the program.
Okay.
It doesn't cost anything. You just gotta call them.
Got it. Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Great, Sean.
So are you guys all full-time day trader?
Yeah, I am.
Yeah, I'm not. I try to be.
Soon. After 2024, Sean will be.
Nice.
If we go this rate, if we continue to go in this rate, right, Sean?
Yeah, then I'll move to Florida with you and Mark, man.
Yeah, absolutely, brother. And we'll definitely
There's a lot
be
of
on
room
the
here,
golf
Sean.
course.
I'm just gonna move in with you, Mark.
You can even visit, you
Clear
can
out
even
the
visit
spare
the
room, man.
firehouse.
Beautiful on
I'm in Chicago, but I'm also looking to move in Florida.
nice.
Let's
Yeah, I'm in
build a
Colorado.
trading compound.
Yeah.
Okay.
He was golfing yesterday, and I spent 5 hours raking up leaves, man.
Choices, Sean.
Hey, we were both outside at least, you know.
Yep.
All right.
Good.
So here we go.
Got
I'm gonna
sticks in
be
your hand.
out of this rest of this trade here now. Pull back. Look at that pullback on that. Man, 500 pullback. Somebody sold out of here. Somebody sold out big time. Am I happy with that? Yes, I'm happy. I'm 30 cents in the money. Okay, I'm done. All right, I'm done with that. Got 30 minutes. Cool. Done with that trade. RBLX. The break. Come on, RBLX.
I took RBLX short too.
Good. You know, I'm gonna be mad at myself on another entry is at 20 long. 20 long and 2050 is the target. And ESTA. Come on, please. Now we could lower our stop loss on our BLX. Right? Are you watching everything else? 40-40. 40-40. So 40 cent stop loss now on our BLX. Okay. We're just managing the trade down, right? And by that, I'm just minimizing my losing on our BLX. Trying to find support down here. Look at that. That's why we need to see it lower here. That's where we need to. That next candle, we need to see here in our BLX. Having a hard time, our BLX. While we're watching that, 40-40 is the stop loss on our BLX. 40 cents. See what's going on with Disney. Disney broke finally. Jeez. Everybody was watching Disney. Next level for Disney.
Yeah, Tesla melting too still.
Disney 84 short. It's just support here. So anything under 84 on Disney. The market dumping. On Disney. Welcome everybody on DP. Wagwan, what's up? Minimum trade IPOs. Which IPOs? I can't read that. I got that sign blocked there. It's been good, DP. Trade IPOs. What's the minimum? It all depends on your share size or your account size. Sometimes I do depends on the price of the stock. If it's under $10, I could go up to 20K on quantity. Between 20, I never go up more than that unless it's something that is really, really volatile and it's going in my direction. But the max for me is 20, and then I'll work it all the way down. I'll do 10 sometime, I'll do 5, As you can see, most of my trades are 4,000 shares, in between 4,000 shares. And then if it's an IPO, it's 20. And then if I go back into that IPO, I'll go half or 3/4, less than what I do the initial. So there you go with roadblocks. It's trying to find some support here. Okay. We talk about sideways action right now, some consolidation right here in this area here. Momentum shift. 440, I'll be out.
Check out NVEI.
It's nice. Over the top here, at the high of the day. It's a nice gap up today. Nice gap up today. And a gap fill up here. It's a gap fill right there. And just gap up and go if it's gonna run, Edwin.
Yep.
Go over the top here. It's 19. It's at the high so far. Something to watch. RBLX is giving us a hard time here. Consolidation area here.
Yeah, SPY's trying to pull up.
I need to counter direction. Create a pop and handle right here. See if it's strong enough to. Three candles. You can see how I do today. I'm not trying to, I'm just working with the flow of the market, not the bigger part of the market comes at 2 o'clock, it comes at 3 o'clock. So you continue to wait. If you don't feel comfortable trading in this kind of environment, just wait. The market is going to make a big move and you got your stock set up. You just wait for those entries. For me, I got to take small trades to just keep the momentum going, just to keep the flow going, because I'm pretty much done for the day, right? So in order for me to find trade, I just got to try things as we go through. If you guys see anything, just go ahead and just say, put it in the chat so we could look at it. And if you're new to YouTube, go ahead and just hit the subscribe button to YouTube there for me. hit the notification bell at the Zen Zone 01 on YouTube.
Yep.
And follow me on all social media as well. Leave a comment as well, guys. You know, let me know how well I'm doing, and it also let YouTube know that, you know, the Zen Zone is doing well. Appreciate that.
NVEI, Tobias wrote in the chat. He wrote a couple things. I didn't see it, but NVEI is up, he says.
Yeah, we looked at that.
You did? Okay.
Yeah.
I just got back here.
Yeah, that's where it needs to break over here. Nothing but up. Up, up, up.
Okay.
Staying above the VWAP. Sound a little low there, too, Mark.
What's that?
You sound low.
Oh, I do?
Yeah.
Yeah, you sound far away.
How about now?
That's better.
A little bit
Better? I was playing with some settings.
You messed them up.
I did. Trying to tweak.
Yeah, it's still a little quieter than normal.
Yeah.
We'll have to change that.
Projection up here, pullback. 1870. Looking for 30 cents. Looking for 30 cents back down to the VWAP level here. I'm gonna pull back, but I'll watch it at this top here. Go higher. 30-minute. There's some rejection up here right now. We're not reached there today. That's a nice flow to the upside here. And as we go to the daily, this is what you're looking for, to break this level here and higher into the gap. So from here to here would be your target, your profit window to the gap. And if it breaks that, so be it. Let's go. Okay. RBLX is just having a hard time today. RBLX was supposed to run today. So now we know at 42, right, on RBLX. That's a level that you should be looking for on RBLX, right? Look, pre-market, open, rejected, tried it, rejected, tried it, rejected, try, rejection, try, rejection, try, rejection, and then boom. So we know I would be waiting right at 42 for a major breakout, okay? You want to play with it a little bit at 41.50, right? Let it break that. You have a 50-cent buffer. All right, that's how I would play that. 50-cent buffer to 42. All right, entry. This is with the change of direction and going higher and breaking this 42, right? And anything over 42, you're golden on RBLX. Now, look at RBLX, right? There's a decision I could make right now. Do I continue to play with RBLX? I'm even right now, as you could see, from a little bit in the money, right? Just have to wait. Here she comes. Come on. We need her lower than this level here, okay?
Yeah, that's what I was going to ask. If it doesn't break this time, like, do do you just move your stop because it's just trading in this channel, right?
Yeah, yeah,
And go, hey, I'm done. I'll wait for it another time versus
yeah, absolutely,
giving it
absolutely.
a chance to go up, you know?
Yeah, yeah. Like right now, I could take 400 as some profit here. Pull up now, but
Second.
It hurt you.
you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Am I going to lose? I could take 3/4 out. It's still a little bunt here, but is that's what I'm looking for? That's not what I'm looking for, but I could take that. It's a green trade, right? Just needed to break. Just needed to break. That's all. That's the kind of market we have, and sometimes we have these kind of environment, guys. Patient. 40/40 is the stop loss. Look where my stop loss heading from RBLX. Come down, all the way to here. Now, if I had left my stop loss at the original entry, I could be out 5K, 4K. Why do that? They allow me to trade tomorrow. And again, what I made on LIFW, I will never go into a regular. At my entry, right? Cool. Okay. I didn't lose any money on that trade. So now I'll wait, right? Easy does it. You just
Yes.
wait. Wait. It's important.
Yeah, I mean, I like that 39.41 to. That's
Yeah.
why I've had it marked the whole time, you know.
Yeah. As you could see, it came down and consolidate right here and going sideways now. It was supposed to break here. It broke it, but didn't continue it. Former support, 1, 2, right? Let's see if this one is gonna support higher or lower, right? Lower highs or higher lows. All right, we need the next one, not this one. This one is almost the same, right? They're almost the same. So you could call this a support right here, right? Double bottom. Let's see if this one is going to be higher or it's going to be lower. As you can see, this candle already came down here to form this base here. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Let's see if this candle break lower. $39.80. That's RBLX. If you guys see anything, just shoot it right now so we could look at it. RBLX BB is still doing good. Disney, let's look at Disney as it is stock pick of the day. Let's look at what's going on with Disney. Okay, Disney on the way back up. Okay, let's watch this level right here on Disney. Okay, come on. 84.30, 84.30. 84.30. We're looking long and stop loss right here on Disney. Okay. 24.30. Target. Okay, 30. I got 30 print. Let's see if we could continue this up to the upside. I'm still looking at this ESTA at that 20. Sean, we could break that
Yeah, I've been
level.
watching it too.
And again, it's all about the capital you have, right? I could use the same capital here and make $40, 10, 20, 30, 40 times a day, right? But when you
Yep.
get into the right stock, boom, right? Beautiful. Beautiful. There we go. Okay? Base it, guys. Base it. You're not looking for home runs. The home runs will come. Base it. The bunt. Guys see anything? Ring the alarm? Let me go over this Disney stock pick of the day. As you can see, 6 minutes. I got 6 minutes to go. Disney, we already watching RBLX. So you know Disney, that would be your target, your stop loss on Disney. Okay. RBLX. Let's look at RBLX. Okay. The breakdown on RBLX. Okay. So we wait for 39.80. Look for this level here, 39.80. Okay. Change that, 39.80. Okay. Get this out of the way now. All right. $40.40 long. So this is your new entry on long on RBLX and short here. So we got out of that trade without even spending any money. Okay. And down to the low. So sideways action, we're in a sideways channel right now. Long, short. We established that now. It has to break this level to go downside on RBLX. Disney, or we already talked about Disney. I'm going to pull back on Disney. And here we go. We're probably out on Disney. Let's see what the SPY does, and then that will give us a direction in the market. SPY got rejected here at 436 area here. Okay. This is long on the SPY here. Okay. 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 35. We've been to 35 before the last couple of days. So we know 35 short is the SPY without a doubt. Okay. SPY turning over, so that makes Disney turn over as well. Okay, so this is for the SPY. 35, we know 35 has been there before several times since last week. And then we need 36 to 37. That's the area we're playing with the SPY. Okay, Disney. Okay, stop loss. We got 13 cents to go before I'm out. Disney. Disney that. Good move. On Disney. I'll be watching Disney.
Yeah, look at the last 4 candles in Tesla. Talk about sideways in a super short range,
Okay.
but watching it for when it breaks to go higher.
Yeah, this level here.
Yep.
Yeah. 1941. The volume is no good. First target, second target. Sure. Sure. Disney, EMPH. Opportunity. We just got to wait for the market to give it to us here. Same thing, EMPH under the low here, 7740. Come down somewhere. So, that's that. Let's go long on EMPH. Okay. What's that? The CT didn't do much of anything. Much of anything. Off the bottom here, if we could make it. That. Keep eye on this CTVA at this level here, 4873. This resistance level here. Let's watch that here. All right, that's about it for me, guys. Just keep watching those levels. AP, welcome aboard. Tobias, Mark, Sean. I'll be in the background on Discord though. You could talk to me on Discord or just continue to chat in the Discord. Edwin, always a pleasure, my brother.
All right,
And
thanks.
Thank you, my brother. Appreciate you.
For
you're
sure, man.
welcome.
Take it easy, bro.
Yeah,
We're
I'll be
connect,
watching this ESTA at that 20, right? And 20 long and short back under this 1950 back to VWAP if the giving it up, okay? 1950 right back to the VWAP. But I'll be looking for it long. Keep an eye on this stock here, the CTVA, okay? EMPH, again, all right? We already have that level. It's going sideways. 77.23 is a short and 78 is a long, okay? Market direction. Come 2 o'clock, come 3 o'clock, some moves in the market. I'll be watching for those. We could still talk about it in the Discord, in the chat. Disney, we're still waiting for that, okay? Look at Disney now, okay? So we could wait for that to go long on Disney, okay? There she goes, right? Boom. Come on.
This SPY's moving higher, just broke 436.
Okay. Okay. Let's look at the SPY now, right? Because we discussed that. Okay. Here she comes, right? The stop loss would be here now. Okay. Get it through here. Is it enough strength to take us through to the VWAP? Because remember, rejection underneath the VWAP on the spot. So it has to clear 437 or higher. Okay. Beautiful. So if the SPY runs, Disney will run, and all these other stocks will run. Okay. BIB still looking good to the short side. Reversing, nothing yet. Okay. Could look at it, reversal up here. You can see VWAP to contend with as resistance. That's how much I will give that. Not much or anything. Right? $1.50. We could go 34 to 235. 234, right? 235.50. Okay. Entry. Right? Entry. Entry, target, stop loss. Right? Come on. Stop loss at the low here. Okay. And as it moves higher, you adjust the stop loss up on BBI. Okay, so look for this level here, 234 to 235.50 target. Okay, boom, we're in Disney. Ooh, okay. All right, and then we could look at RBLX. Patience, right? Patience, RBLX, this is what we're looking for. Okay. Market change direction. RBLX make a cup and handle up to the VWAP, we're good. Okay, so 40-40, 40-80, that's what we're looking for, right? This level here. Boom, profit window out. Stop loss underneath the bottom here. Okay. Let's get it. Let's make money. All right. And I'll be watching this this ESTA. I like it. I like it a lot. Okay. And we're looking for it to hit our target, first target again. At this level here, 20. Okay. 20. Entry. With volume now. Okay. This becomes green. This becomes red. Okay. And if it's fall, we're gonna take your stop loss down here to the VWAP. Okay. Short, bound, target area. Entry, boom. All right. So that's that for this level here. Looking for 50 cents. Okay. Looking for about 80 cents here to the downside, but I like that. We're doing good now on Disney, guys. Boom, 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 boom. There you go. All right. Enjoy the rest of your day. You guys got the numbers. Look for those numbers and trade accordingly. Okay. Make sure you have your stop loss. Know where your stop loss is going to be, and just manage your trade. All right. We'll be back at this tomorrow at 10. Thank you for participating in the 251-day challenge. We at day number 215, green days straight. Okay. And again, woo, man, Mark.
Crazy, man. Crazy.
Man, I didn't know
250.
how much work this was going to be, but you know, we almost there, man.
We are.
We almost there. And it wasn't easy. It was a challenge. A challenge that really tested my discipline. Okay, it really tested my patience. Okay, I could say it did that. And consistency, I could say the consistency is there because we're consistent for 215 days. But the discipline and the patience, it really tests me so far. So
Yeah, I bet you can't do 5 years.
I
bet you can't do 5 years, Steve.
no.
I bet you he will do 5 years, but not as a challenge.
No, not as a challenge. I'm not gonna put 5 years on myself like that. You know, a year was good enough. I mean, you know, but we got some good things coming. We got some good things coming.
Oh yeah.
Sean, I told him one day if he's red, the 251 starts all over again.
Oh,
Yeah, man.
Negative. All right, guys. Thank you guys so much.
All right, brother. Thank you.
Always
See you
a
guys.
pleasure.
I work the next 2 days, so I'll catch you in Discord.
All right, absolutely.
All right.
See ya.
All right.
See ya.
All right, CAP. Thanks for stopping by, brother. Appreciate you.